Friends, this video explain about what is GNSS and what is the principle of GNSS. So first initially you know about what is GNSS. GNSS stands for Global Navigation Satellite System. It is a constellation of satellites providing signals from space to GNSS receivers. Then receivers use this data or signals to determine user location. By the definition, GNSS provides global coverage. There is three main types of GNSS technologies are there. GPS, first one is GPS, second is Galileo, third is GLONASS. These are the main GNSS systems. And next, the principle of GNSS means principle of every GNSS system is trilateration. Trilateration is a mathematical method to determine the distance between the satellites and the receiver. So this is the three-dimensional version of triangulation. Okay, this is the three-dimensional version of triangulation, a more widely known map reading technique. Okay, to trilaterate a GNSS receiver measures multiple ranges from antenna to the satellites. Okay, to trilaterate a GNSS receiver measures multiple ranges from antenna to the satellites. Because the receiver has calculated the satellite's location and has measured ranges, the receiver can be calculated the point at which the range intersect. The intersection point is the location of the GNSS antenna upon the Earth's surface.